In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put your WordPress site in maintenance mode. A simple process that shouldn't take more than 5 minutes. Whether you're performing updates, making changes, or adding new features, entering maintenance mode is a great way to ensure your site's visitors know you're improving their experience. Let's get started. First, you'll need to head over to wordpress.com. Once you're there, you'll see everything you need to manage and build your website. This is the starting point for setting your site to maintenance mode. After arriving at wordpress.com, the next thing you'll need to do is log into your account. If you're not already logged in, simply click on the Login button, then enter your credentials. This will give you access to your WordPress dashboard, where we'll carry out the steps needed to enable maintenance mode. Now that you're logged in, let's head to your WordPress dashboard. This is essentially the control center for your website, where you can make all sorts of changes, including activating maintenance mode. From your dashboard, you'll need to navigate to the Plugins section. You'll find this item in the menu on the left-hand side of your screen. Click on it to see a list of all the plugins currently installed on your site, as well as options to add new ones. Once you're in the Plugins area, the next step is to add a new plugin. To do that, look for the Add Plugin button near the top of the page and click on it. Adding a plugin is a straightforward process that allows you to enhance your website with additional features and functionalities. In the plugin search bar, type in WP Maintenance Mode. This is a well-known plugin that lets you put your site into maintenance mode quickly and easily. It's also highly rated by users, which is reassuring when adding new functionalities through plugins. After searching, you should see the WP Maintenance Mode plugin appear in the results. Click on the plugin to start the installation process. This will bring up an option to install the plugin directly onto your site. Finally, after clicking on WP Maintenance Mode, simply click the Install and Activate button. This will install the plugin and activate its features on your site, allowing you to set your website to maintenance mode with just a couple of clicks. Now your website is officially in maintenance mode, signaling to visitors that your website is temporarily down for updates or changes. This ensures a smoother user experience when users visit your site, keeping them informed while you carry out essential updates. And there you have it. You've set up your WordPress site in maintenance mode in just a few minutes. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful.